Hey guys, today we're unboxing a new graphics card, GeForce RTX 3070 Palit JetStream OC. It's a very nice variant of the 3070 by Palit. It also has a RGB sync, and let's see on the back. It has dual BIOS, silent and performance mode, RGB lighting, a addressable RGB and whatnot. So let's take a look inside. Oops. Inside the box there is another box, and let's see. On top of it we have a Palit graphics card user manual. We have a nice looking Palit 2021 calendar, foam padding to protect the card, and let's see. Here we have addressable RGB cable. I guess you can actually connect it to your controller, and we have dual 6 to 8 pin adapter. Here is the card and nothing else. So here it is, guys. It's quite a huge card. Although it only has 2 fans, the core itself is quite big. 2.5, so 3 slots, and quite a lot over the backplate. The usual 1, 2, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. The backplate, I'm not sure. It does look like plastic, but it might be something else, as it's not exactly plasticky. The usual pass-through hose at the end after the PCB. And this particular model has 2 8-pin connectors. Power. This is the A RGB port where you connect the small cable. Okay guys, that's about it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them. Bye!